Good day! In our video about the Mercedes W123, we will give a new look to the instrument cluster. The idea will be to change the look of the instrument cluster from something faded like this one to something much newer like this. In order to do this job, we're gonna first obviously remove the instrument cluster, and then at the back we're gonna use a star screwdriver or a Phillips screwdriver, and we're gonna remove those 4 screws that are here, and here 4 screws as well, plus without forgetting that that last one, which is the one that regulates the dimming. Okay, once it's off, we're gonna first remove that panel where there's the clock, then this one, then this one. Okay, because as you can see, one go on top of the other. As you can see, it is now dismantled. Okay, so if you want to clean this a little bit, you can do so as well, although it shouldn't be too dirty. Okay, but now I should point at something to you. Just look at this. You can see it looks like the previous owner has placed a bit of aluminum foil here. You remember when I told you in my other video that you need to change the bulb, the halogen bulb for LED. Probably placed this because of the heat. I'm not too sure, but clearly this is not genuine. Okay, so that's another video that I will make for you about the LED lights. Okay, so now that we've got this, we're gonna make sure that the needles are okay. For instance, you see here, it will touch this because we will paint them. So we'll block this one way or another, that it doesn't touch this, so that the paint doesn't go on this. This as well, something we'll put in such a way that it doesn't touch this. Try not to remove the needle. To remove them, you just need to pull them out. Don't do it, because after you will need to recalibrate the speedo. Okay. And for the clock, well, it's very easy. There's nothing that prevents it. Okay, so I will do that, and later I will show you what we're gonna do. Okay, so now on this one, as you can see, I've placed a bit of any paper you want. I've placed toilet paper, it doesn't matter. And as you can see now, it doesn't go on here, so it's fine. I'll be able to paint it. For here, I've done the same thing, so I will have to be a bit cautious not to put paint on the paper. So what we'll use now, we'll use some brushes, very fine brushes. Okay, and we'll use this paint. So this paint is Tamiya, you know, the remote control cars, and the reference is X6. Okay, I'll place it on the video anyway. Okay, so what we'll do now, we'll simply gonna paint all this very carefully, and we're gonna let it dry till tomorrow. Okay, just to make sure it dries properly, and like that, when this one will go back here, it won't get stuck there. Okay, so let's do it. It starts to change look a little bit, so much better, isn't it? On this one, on the clock, I'm not too sure why it looks like it was very dull, very faded. So it's okay, but it looks like it would need a second coat. So I will wait for it to dry, and I will give it another one. I would like to thank all the people that have donated, that have used the link on the description of the video. That's very kind of you. Thank you very much. And here we go. That's now all done. It's all painted. I'm not sure if you can see it now with the sun, but I just need to place it back on the car, and we're good to go. Until the next video, take care of yourself. Ciao.